Wind power is one of the common renewable energy. Wind power can be converted to electric power using wind turbine. In this experiment, parameters that affect efficiency of wind turbine will be investigated. There are two basic designs for wind turbine, horizontal axis and vertical axis. Efficiency of horizontal axis, which points into the wind, is higher than that of vertical axis. On the other hand, vertical axis does not point into the wind, which is suitable in varied wind direction site. Horizontal axis wind turbine is used in this experiment. Wind turbine is a device to convert wind power to electric power. Wind power can be explained by the wind's kinetic energy as shown in the equation above. Mass of air is equal to density multiplies volume. Volume of air is equal to area multiplies distance of moving air particle. A in equation is area of wind turbine blade. If we consider a short period of time t, distance of moving air particle is equal to velocity multiplies time. Therefore, wind kinetic energy can be expressed by the equation above. Wind velocity affects the wind power most. On the other hand, the shape of wind turbine blades is airfoil. Airfoil produces lifting force in moving fluid. Working principle of airfoil is based on Bernoulli equation. When fluid flows along airfoil, air speed of upper side is higher than that of lower side. According to Bernoulli equation, pressure in lower side will be higher than upper side, that produces a lifting force. Wind turbine uses the airfoil blades to produce rotation torque. In this experiment, we need this 3D printed wind turbines and motor. Print the blade with different length which can modify in slicer program. Glue the blade on wind turbine center. Insert the blade on the motor. Connect the motor terminal with a multimeter using crocodile clip. Use a fan as a source of wind. Record the voltage generated by wind turbine. Repeat the measurement with different size of blades and speed of fan.